Hi guys, welcome to Ferment Kitchen. In this channel I will teach you how to make delicious recipes every week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna make ground pork breakfast sandwiches to go. Okay. My fiance loves to run out of the door really late when he has to go to work. And then I'm like, babe, but like you didn't eat any breakfast. And he's like, oh, that's okay, babe. I'm gonna stop by Dunkin' Donuts or Taco Bell. And I'm like, you're ruining your stomach and your taste buds. So I had to figure it out and find a solution. And here it is, my friends. Breakfast sandwiches to go. All right, today we have Rebecca, who is my little sister, and she's gonna act as a taster. Oh shoot.
I can't move.
So for your ground pork, make sure, I bought 2 pounds of the mild ground pork. I know during this shortage of meat we're having, it's a little hard to find plain ground pork, but I just use the mild. Just watch your spices. You can fix the spices to what you like if you don't like spicy food. So just beware of your spices. Right now I'm using the mild pork sausages. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of our minced onion into our meat solution here. Then we're gonna add our honey, garlic, and oil mixture here into our batter. The good thing about cooking these is they don't have to be perfect. It's not like baking. It doesn't have to be exact. You can play around with the different like amounts of food you put into it. I've tested this recipe before with different ingredients and it came out really good. So you guys just put a little bit of this and a little bit of that and soon you'll have your own recipe. So I'm gonna put my mixture of spices. This is sage, red pepper, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. The amount of ingredients are in the link down below. Also, I'm gonna put how to make for 4 sandwiches because I know not all of you are that hungry, so you know I got you. So put it in the mixture and mix it all together until everything is incorporated. Now remember, at this point you can kind of experiment with the seasonings and put whatever you think is best. Okay, now I'm gonna divide all the meat into 12 equal portions, and I'm going to shape them into little patties so we can put them in the oven because we don't want to cook for a while. This is supposed to be to go, right? So cook them into little patties. They don't have to be big. I do it like the same size as the English muffin. I try to get it the same size, so if I can squish it down just a little bit more. All right, that looks about good. Does he say that? I don't even know. This recipe is going to yield 12 different patties. I used 2 large baking sheets with parchment paper and 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
I don't think you can unspeed.
Oh, now every oven is different, so just make sure you keep checking on them every 5 minutes to make sure they're done. Now we gotta transfer these delicious sausages to a wire rack so they cool off and we can get the excess oil off of them before we start assembling them. These are gonna be so good. Man, they're gonna eat these in like 0.5 seconds. I just have to hide them from my sister because she's gonna eat them all. Okay, now we're going to get the eggs ready while we are cooking the sausages in the oven. I like to just spray these in. Oh my god, you have no idea how much time it saves you to make it in a muffin tin. I mean, you could do it individually, but that's a waste of time. Yes, it has to be 13 minutes, no longer. Now we're going to make the butter. We're going to use this for the top of the sandwiches. 6 tablespoons of butter. About 1.5 teaspoons of garlic. Put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Actually, you can put a little bit of parsley in here to give it some color, because people eat with their eyes first. So let's make it fun. Garlic, butter, and parsley. Now when these bad boys come out of the oven, we're gonna put this right on the top. Ooh, that smells so good. And the time has come. The assembly line gets ready. We're gonna make 12 different patties. I start by putting the patties first, and then I like to switch the type of cheese so you don't get bored throughout the week. Remember, this is for you to pick up in the morning, so you're probably gonna be eating these every morning. I suggest switching it up with different hot sauces, or even if you want to get crafty, you can put like a spicy sriracha. That would be delicious. Don't forget to put love in your food.
Can I eat it now?
Not yet. What I do is I wrap every single one individually and put them in the freezer so they're ready to go for the next day. For the impatient ones, you can cook it for 15 minutes until the butter is golden brown and the cheese is melted.
Why did you have to yell? Whoa.
It's part of my life, my lifestyle.
I'm gonna be going around to you.
You're gonna drop it, just taste it.
This looks really good.
Okay.
It's gooey. It's real because it's not commercial food.
Facts.
It was spray paint. I was about to curse, but then I remembered there's a camera in front of me.
Right?
I might take one of those with me. This is good.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you get to make this at home, because honestly it will save you so much time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the little bell button to make sure you get notified next time I make a video. And next time, let me know what you would like to see. Comment down below.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.